and welcome. Hey homegirl, thank you so much for coming. Today, I want to share with you guys the eyeshadow that I am wearing. And I'm also going to be sharing with you guys a wig that I purchased off of Sam Beauty also. So let's get started. The eyeshadow that I am wearing is from this company. It's called Rowe Beauty Cosmetics. This is so beautiful, you guys. This is beautiful. Like, oh my gosh, look at this packaging. Like, they took the time out to actually get creative with this. They took the time out to inspire and encourage their customers. You know, they got the depression fighter, they got anti-anxiety and self-love on the front of this. And this palette, I love it. I love it. I love how positive these words are. And the colors, as you can see, are very pigmented. You see how beautiful this is? The colors are very pigmented on here. As you can see, I have it on. Look at this. You know? So I'm gonna let you guys see the colors. I'm gonna do a few swatches. Today I have on the hope. I wanted a little bit of hope for what's going on in the world today. I also have a little faith that everything is gonna be all right. And I needed a little uplifting. What I do like about this palette is that Rowe Beauty put words of encouragement as their colors. And that's what I also loved about this palette. They have Rowe Beauty, they have Uplift, Inspire, Focus, Courage, Set Goals, Faith, Stay With Us, Believe, Hope, Dream, Self-Love, Worry Less, Be Brave, and Choose You. Let's just go and check them out. See what else they have. They have a lot more to offer, but I love this palette. This palette stood out to me the most. I love the words of encouragement that's on this palette. You know, you guys should go over there and check them out. They are on Instagram. They have a link also where you can purchase their products, and I will post a link in the description box where you can purchase this beautiful palette. I'm also going to be sharing with you guys my Saga Brazilian Remy Human Hair wig. She is short. Her name is Pink Berry. Look at that. She's very short. And you can curl her because you can put a little heat to her because she is human hair. I got her in color 1B. I'm gonna try her on and I'll be right back. Hot dog. Oh my God, what do you guys think? How is she? Like, do it work for me? And she is big hair friendly. She do fit, and it's not like real snug. And it has some adjustable straps. You can adjust the straps. What you guys think? You can curl her, you can put a little heat to her. I think I could shave the back down just a little bit, you know, so I could get it shaped to my head in the back, so it just won't look like a wig. You guys, that is it. And make sure you guys go over there and check out Rowe Beauty Cosmetics. I'll post the link in the description box, and also I will post the link in the description box where you can purchase the Pink Berry. I purchased her off the Sam's Beauty website, so you guys could go over there and check all of that out if you want to. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that post notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I post a video. And once again, thank you for coming.